The United States has more control in the world than any other country. Is China a superpower? Yes. Is Russia a superpower? Yes. What makes us different? We spend more on our military than the next 10 countries combined. That includes China and Russia. China, Russia, and the next 8 countries, we spend more than them. We are the biggest power on the planet, and we can coerce them. You say, other countries do this too. They do. Not to the extent we do.
Now, I just got done talking about how, we lost the war in Iraq and also the war in Afghanistan because we can't clearly define what winning looks like. If we have the most powerful military in the world, which we do, which I was a part of, which you might be a part of, so that statement is accurate, why can't we crush countries like Vietnam, like Iraq, like Afghanistan? Low tech. Why can't we win? Keep listening.
And we are paying a huge price for that. That $1 trillion could go to fixing our bridges and our power system so that we're not weak. I think there's a real scenario where our power system could get attacked. We're spending money on kinetic weapons and new bombs. And now we're talking about making a new Trump-class battleship. We phased out battleships for a reason. We don't need battleships, especially in the age of drones and satellites and everything. We figured out that swarming and multiple hundreds, if not thousands, of small drones are harder to combat than one centralized threat. So now we're going to build a new battleship? That makes no sense at all.
So I would go as far as to say, do we need to change the way we fight? Right? Do we need to go away from battleships and airplanes and all that? Hell, do we need to go back to the drawing board as a military and just figure out, hey, how do we win against third world countries like Afghanistan and Iraq? Like, how do we win there? Forget the $1 trillion budget. Those guys, they had flip-flops and sandals and AK-47, and we weren't able to defeat that country. Why? Mindset, right? Let me know what you guys think about that last clip one and the one before it. I'm eager to hear what you guys think about all that one because, again, everything that unplayed 20 years ago, it's unfolding now, right? So I just wanted to showcase that clip to you guys to hopefully get you guys' 2 cents. This segment is sponsored by Level 3 Coffee, right? Fascinated by the covert world of special operations, guys. Once I retired, I decided to travel to some of the places that I only used to read about and intelligence report. This brew here is out of Medellin, Colombia. The next location is upon us, right? In August, I'm going to be traveling to a new location. I'm bringing a film crew with me. I'm capturing all the different footages. It's going to go on a QR code that is going to go on the back of the coffee beans, right? All you got to do is go to level3coffee.com, grab you a bag, scan the code, and come on that journey with me. If you like what I'm doing over here, guys, that's how you support me. Greatly appreciated, right?